1/3 of a football field is shown. Add parts to make one whole football field. One-third of a cake is shown. Add parts to make one whole cake. One-third of a rectangle is shown. Add parts to make one whole rectangle. How did you make one whole?
I started with 1/3 in every problem. I knew that I needed 3/3 to make one whole. I also noticed that the holes are different. Even though we always needed 3 pieces, the football field, the cake, and the rectangle are all different sizes.
Nice work! Let's see if you can make one whole when you start with a different fractional unit. One-fifth of a rectangle is shown. Add parts to make one whole rectangle. One-tenth of a rectangle is shown. Add parts to make one whole rectangle. The triangle represents the unit fraction 1/4. Ethan and Kayla each drew a picture representing a possible whole. Who did it correctly? How did you draw the hole, Ethan?
I knew that this triangle was 1/4 of the whole image, so I used 4 equal triangles to make the whole. I did the same thing as Ethan, but my picture came out differently. I think that we're both right.
That's right. Your images are different, but they both use 4 equal pieces to make one whole. This shape represents the unit fraction 1/6. Select the picture that represents the whole. This shape represents the unit fraction 1/4. Select the picture that represents the whole.